Your server is running. Now you change the code. But the page looks the same. Why? The old server is still running. You have to restart it. Think of a stove. To cook something new, you turn it off first, make your change, then light it again. A server is just like that. A running server holds the terminal. Control C frees it so you can change things. Control C stops the server. Run it again to see your changes. Here's the loop. Control C to stop, then node server.jsa to start again. Let's read it. Control C stops it. Node server.jse starts it again. First you edit the code, then Control C stops the old one, then restart it fresh. This is the rhythm of building. Edit, stop, restart. That cycle is how every dev works. Try it right now. With your server running, press Control C to stop it, then run it again. So that's stop and restart. Next up, level 7 challenge.